Christmas is around the corner, and while it's the most wonderful time of the year, it can also be the most expensive. But what if I told you there's a way to enjoy all the magic without breaking the bank? Stay tuned, because I'm about to share 5 genius tips to help you save big this holiday season without cutting back on the joy. Let's face it, overspending during the Christmas can haunt us long after the new year. But it doesn't have to be that way. Stick with me and I'll show you how to keep your wallet and your holiday spirit full this season. All right, let's dive in. Tip number 1 is a game changer. Tip number 1, plan your budget and stick to it. The first and most important tip is to plan your budget. Sit down and figure out exactly how much you can afford to spend. Break it down into categories: gifts, food, travel, decorations, and events. I recommend using free tools like Mint or YNAB to track your spending in real time. And here's a pro tip: leave a little buffer for unexpected expenses. It's always better to plan for surprises than to be caught off guard. Tip number 2, use cashback apps and rewards programs. Why pay full price when you can earn money back? Apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta offer cashback for shopping at your favorite stores. If you use a credit card, take advantage of your rewards points. Many cards allow you to redeem points for gift cards or statement credits, which can significantly reduce your holiday costs. Just remember, pay off that balance to avoid interest charges. Tip number 3, shop smart with timing and discounts. The holidays are packed with sales: Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and even last-minute discounts closer to Christmas. But here's the key: be strategic. Use price tracking tools like Camel or Google Shopping to ensure you're getting the best deal. And don't forget about free shipping days or in-store pickup options to save on delivery costs. Tip number 4, DIY gifts and decorations. DIY gifts and decorations can add a personal touch while saving you money. For example, make a photo album for family members or bake cookies as gifts. Not only are these thoughtful, but they're also budget-friendly. For decorations, consider crafting your own wreaths, ornaments, or table centerpieces. Pinterest is your best friend here. Tip number 5, set spending boundaries for group activities. Christmas spending can spiral when you're buying for every friend, coworker, or family member. Suggest a secret Santa exchange or set a spending limit for gifts. If your group is open to it, consider non-monetary gifts like offering a skill, experience, or service. For example, you could babysit for a friend or cook a special meal for a loved one. It's meaningful and affordable. Bonus tip: avoid Christmas debt. My bonus tip: avoid holiday debt at all costs. If you're tempted to overspend, remind yourself that the joy of the season doesn't come from expensive gifts. It comes from the memories you create. Stick to your budget and you'll thank yourself in the new year. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these tips help you save big this Christmas season while still enjoying everything that makes it special. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy saving and Merry Christmas.